Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh, and today we are going to discussing about our topic is how to install our Android Studio in our local. Okay, and this is a Android Studio step by step you are going to see. Now before coming to this particular slide, and I'll come to in this location and open for Chrome browser, and here you can type for Android Studio downloader. Okay, once you mentioned, and you will get it for the first one. Okay, just click this particular location and you will see in this page. Okay, here they are providing for a list of your features, what exactly it will provide, thumbed app icon preview and all those, all the information they are providing, what all the features are presented one by one. They are providing for list of things. Okay, if you come little bit down, and you can able to see here Android Studio downloaders, and this is the location you will get for latest version of Android Studio in this location. Okay, based upon your OS operating system, based upon your operating system you'll get for all the details here. Okay, and in my system there is a latest version which is 22.2.1.20 Windows. This is not working as expected for me. Okay, even I'm trying for, there are a couple of things. In case if it works, then I'll definitely re-update it with the latest video. Okay, and for that, here there is a more is there, right? More, and here you have to choose the arch. Okay, in this location it will come. If you come very down, and here agree to the terms, just you can mention here, and you need to search with the version. Okay, in my local it is working for with a different version that I will show you here. Control F 2021.2.1. Okay, this is the version patch 2. It is released on August 3, 2022. Okay, it is released on August 3, 2022. It is released. And click this particular icon and you will get it for this particular download exe. Okay, once you click the downloader and it will comes to in the your local. Okay, the same steps I followed here as well. See, arch it is there, and then you can able to agree terms, and then Android Studio 2021 2.1.1. Okay, and then you can able to come to double click that particular Android Studio, and it will comes to in this location. Okay, this is the location you will get it. Once you click the double click, right, that exe and download location, in the download location exe will becomes like this. You have to double click that particular exe, then only it will comes to this particular pop-up. Then you need to click for the next, and here there are two options will be Android Studio and Android Virtual Device. Both you have to install. By default first one will be selected. It will not give you for deselect also, because it is a mandatory. That's why it will be by default it will be selected. And second one we need to select. Sometimes it will give you to you automatically selection, but in case if it is not provided, we need to select and then click on next. Once you click the next, and it will show you which location it will stored. Okay, then click on next again. If you want to install some other location, you can able to choose, otherwise you can able to keep it and click on install, and it will take some time. Okay, not immediately, it will not comparing to any other language, Java or something. When you are going to install, right, you will see very fast installation. But Android Studio, you need to download everything, what all the support files are presented, everything it will download. It will go for more than 1 GB of space. Okay, and which is the driver you are going to install, right, that particular driver should be minimum of 5 to 10 GB of space, then only it will be work properly, otherwise it will work very slow. Okay, once it is complete, it will show the complete and next button, then click on next, and it will come for finish button. Okay, finish it. Once you finish, Android Studio will be presented. Okay, And whenever you open the first time, right, it will show for don't send and all. You can click for don't send. Okay, then you need to create a sample project. Why sample project creation, I will tell you in the last. Okay, once you create the sample project in the studio, and you need to open for Android Studio. Once you open Android Studio, by default you will get it for another option like this. You will get it. Okay, in the screen which you are seeing, right, this you will not see. Okay, and this is the symbol you will see. Okay, click on new project and click creating the project. Anything you can choose it, new project, and here it will be like this, and take the basic and click on next and click it and create the project. And then after creation the project, delete the project. Okay, delete the project where exactly it is presented. Go to that particular location and delete it. And in case you can see user, and you will get it for in the down Android Studio projects. Okay, Android Studio project, here it will be presented. User location, there is Android Studio projects, and here it will be presented. Delete the project. Okay, once you delete the project, then installation will be done, but we need to set up our path into our environment variable. Okay, how we can able to set up means just we need to edit the system environment variable, enter, and click on variables, and here you need to create for Android home, and you need to paste the home where exactly it's presented. How to find means just you see programs, user, then go to app data. This app data by default it is be hidden field, and view and check the item hidden items, then you will see this particular item, otherwise you will not see. App, local, and Android SDK, and this path you have to provide in this particular location. Okay, once you provided this particular one, take the Android home. How to add it? This one means just click on new, write your Android home, and then provide the path. Okay, and take this particular name, which is the name you are providing, right, copy the name and click on OK. Now I'm canceling here now, and little bit down there is a path field. Click on edit and come to the last and double click and provide the path. Okay, and percentage Android home and percentage and platforms. Okay, if you see here there is a platforms and tools. Okay, these tools, whenever you install the first time, these tools will be not display. It will not be display. If you create the project, then only you can able to see. Without creating the project, if you come to in this location, you will not see this particular tools. Maybe that moment you will get for some of ready. Okay, before that that's why I told you in the starting time only creating the project. Okay, just platform and tools, both the things you need to add it in this environment location and click on OK. And one more question here, in the path location, if you see there is a Gradle also. Gradle home also I provided. In case whenever you creating the project time, if you get some error, that moment you have to install for Gradle home as well. How to install the Gradle means you need to search in the Google. Go to Google, Gradle download. Okay, install Gradle, and here you can able to see the latest version and everything. It will be shown here. Okay, you need to choose based upon your convenient, and here and SDK it is showing here. Home, manually, additional help, and downloads. Go to downloads, and here we can able to see latest version 8.1.1 it is presented. Download binary or complete. Choose for complete. Okay, choose for complete. It will give you in the download location, it will download Gradle like this. Okay, and expand that particular file. Okay, once you expand it and keep it that file in this location, C drive location. Okay, and take this path, take this Gradle path and come to this location, provide Gradle home, and I provided for Gradle home. Yeah. Okay, then path again edit and go to here, percentage Gradle home percentage slash bin folder. Then click OK. Then again you open for your project Android Studio, then you will get it properly. Okay, because this Android Studio backend it will support for Gradle. Okay, this all about for installation Android Studio and setup into your local. And one more question, whether you are getting the proper Android Studio or not, installed and set up properly or not, means just to open for command prompt, enter for ADB, ADB and enter. Then you will get for all the commands. If you get the all the commands, then you will get, you are installed properly and also install set up for properly and everything. It is working as expected like that. Okay, this all about for Android Studio installation and setup. I hope this information will help for you. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.